How to use tanning bed at Planet Fitness. I'm going to tell you how to use a tanning bed at Planet Fitness, especially if it's your first time. First off, you'll need to be a Black Card member to access the tanning equipment. Once you're checked in, head to the front desk or use the self service kiosk to reserve a session. Some locations let you walk in if a bed's available. Before you enter, make sure you have FDA approved protective eyewear. This is required and protects your eye from UV damage. So, inside the room, you'll find either a lay down bed or a stand up booth. You can use indoor tanning lotion if you have one, but avoid anything made for outdoor use. Most beds start automatically after a few seconds, giving you time to get in position. Sessions usually last 5 to 12 minutes, depending on your skin type, and the bed shuts off on its own when time's up. If it's your first session, start low. 5 minutes should be enough. When you're done, wipe down the bed if your location requires it. Wait at least 24 hours before tanning again to avoid skin irritation or burns. And that's how you use a tanning bed at Planet Fitness.